Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can back up QuickBooks data. So let's get started. First, open QuickBooks by logging in through your web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll see the QuickBooks dashboard, which is the main hub for all of your financial data. After that, look toward the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. This menu gives you access to several important features and customization options within QuickBooks. Then, from the Settings menu, select Export Data. Exporting data creates a copy of your financial records, usually in a spreadsheet format. Not only does this act as a backup, but it also allows you to analyze your information with other tools if needed. On the Export page, you'll find options for date ranges. Here, you can choose pre-selected time periods, such as months or quarters, or customize the range based on what records you want to back up. Take a moment to decide what data you need to include. Finally, click on Export to Excel. This will download your data in a spreadsheet format that's easy to use, share, and even import into other systems if necessary. The file will either save automatically or prompt you to choose a location on your computer, so make sure you know where it's being stored for quick access later. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.